Oh, hello internet. We have another Hyundai Tucson. I got some accident damage. Just recording the engine running. Smooth swim. Running beautiful. I had a small hit in here on the other side. The driver door is okay. Indicator is working. Passenger rear door is okay. The indicator on a bumper is okay. The main light is good. The side light, rear light is good. And we have a rain in here. It doesn't let us. I'm and yeah, the other indicator is all good. Driver rear door got a small dent on that side and some scratches. The driver door itself is no good. The wheels is alright. Got some small bits, but you know, any car involved in accident should be right. But the purpose of this video is to record the engine, and it ran perfectly fine. There is no problem on this one, and I just gonna the mileage is there, 6,200. And the display unit, everything is working fine. Yeah, I have to cut it short because the